could never see the fit, but I want to make them better logistics. Every day I live in the pray. See the papa make it show you way. Better logistics. I must make money. Better logistics. My mama must chop money. Better logistics. I must make money. Better logistics. My mama must chop money. Better logistics. I get me somebody. Somebody waiting for somebody. Somebody waiting for somebody. Somebody. I got somebody. Somebody waiting for somebody. Somebody waiting for somebody. Somebody. 1, 2, 3.
Seriously, we need to address some issues going on in our videos. We discover people are watching our videos, and you guys, if you to subscribe. One will go to Abeokuta, we'll go to Ibadan, we'll go to so many places. It's not easy. You want the video finish now, you just watch it. Some people don't even like, you don't even comment, you just go ping. With all my saying, some of you will not even like, please, meet that person, come and talk.
If I tell you all about my experience, where I'm just coming from, you guys will pity for me.
You know what? What this video, no subscribe, okay? Just go. Subscribe.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button.